Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So I got a question in my comments about, well, it's not really a question. It's basically a comment saying that the Discover Secure credit card, they always deny them. So they're having problems getting a secure credit card, I'm guessing. So I want to make this video to show you other credit cards that you can get that's with an actual bank too that can actually graduate. Most likely they can graduate you to a regular credit card, and it's not like one of them credit cards where it's secure, you put the money down, and then for you to close the account, it never graduates. You have to actually go ahead and close the whole credit card. So these credit cards should actually graduate. So I want to show you other secure credit cards you can apply for. And the best part about this is this: you can go ahead and see if you can get pre-approved for these credit cards. So maybe you haven't tried the Discover credit card yet. If you want to try to get a secure credit card through Discover, you can click right here where it says check now. Go to their website. I'm going to have these links down below, and you can go ahead and see if they can pre-approve you for any of their credit cards. That's even if you say, hey, I want a secure credit card, they can give you another credit card that's better where you don't have to put money down, which is even a better option if you don't have to put any money down. But you can click on check now, and then they'll let you know without giving you that hard inquiry. They'll let you know right away if they can pre-approve you for one of their credit cards. So definitely you guys go to Discover, and I like the Discover Secure credit card because you guys will actually get cash back too. So you can get 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants. And that's up to $1,000 in combined purchases in each quarter. And then you guys will get unlimited 1% cash back too. So I like that about this secure credit card. It usually graduates in 8 months. That means that they'll go ahead and give you your money back, and they'll refund your security deposit, and then they'll go ahead and upgrade you to one of the regular accounts that they have, one of the regular credit cards. But yeah, you guys, I like their secure credit card. But if you can't, if you click right here, check if you can get pre-approved, and they can't pre-approve you, then I suggest you just try another credit card. So another bank that actually has that pre-approval, that pre-qualification, is FNBO. So if you guys want to get their secure credit card, because they have a lot of different credit cards on here, if you can get a regular credit card, perfect. But if not, they have the secure credit card option where you can put $300 all the way up to $5,000 down. And it's in multiples of 50. So you can put $450 down, $550, whatever you want to put down, all the way up to $5,000. They have their secure credit card. So I suggest you guys try them also. But on their website, all you have to do is click right here where it says pre-qualify now. And this should not hurt your credit too. This shouldn't hurt your credit at all. It's going to be a soft pull. They got to look at your credit and see if they can pre-approve you for any of their credit cards, not just the secure one. But if they say secure, go ahead and go with it and put the money down on it. And then just make sure you keep your balance low, and then you should be able to upgrade these credit cards to one of the normal credit cards, one of the regular credit cards with a higher limit, and then they'll give your money back. So definitely try FNBO. Another company I want to talk to you guys about is the NASA Federal Credit Union. NASA Federal Credit Union has it where you can check your rate. It's kind of like seeing if you can pre-qualify for it. They have a secure credit card, share secure Visa credit card. This is a good bank that not really a bank, but a credit union that you would like to build a relationship with. So I want you guys to check and see if you can pre-qualify for any of their credit cards, and go ahead and give them a call so that you can go ahead and apply for their secure one. If they do say that they could possibly get you approved for the secure. Now, like I said, if they say they can get you a regular credit card, go with that regular credit card. When I say regular credit card, that means putting no money down. Go with that credit card. I'm not going to say don't do it. I definitely want you guys to get the regular credit card if they can't approve you for that regular credit card. But just click on check your rate, and then you guys will be able to see if you can get pre-approved for that credit card. Now, another company I want to talk to you guys about is CapitalOne. Now, CapitalOne, they used to have only one secure credit card, which is the Platinum Secure credit card, but now they have two secure credit cards. So they got the Platinum Secure and the Quicksilver Secure. The difference between both of these credit cards is that the Quicksilver has the 1.5% cash back, but not only do they have the 1.5% cash back, you guys are going to have a different interest rate. So you can see you're going to have 26.99% APR. So that's the thing. You're going to have slightly higher interest rate. But if I were you, I would go with the Quicksilver one because you do get that cash back. Because I don't want you guys to keep a balance on your credit cards anyway, to the point where you're paying at 26.99% in the first place. So yeah, you guys, I suggest you go with the Quicksilver Secure Rewards, but you can see if you pre-qualified. And if you click on see if I'm pre-qualified, they'll let you know all of their credit cards they make and start you off with a regular credit card. And even if you have bankruptcy and things like that, as long as you don't owe them, you guys should be fine with getting a credit card through them. So I suggest if you want to try, Rickita, there's a lot of credit cards. I just want to try a few. I would try in the order of, I would try Discover. I would try to get a Discover one, see if you could pre-qualify for Discover, and then I will see if you could pre-qualify for CapitalOne. These are the two I suggest that you guys actually go through if you want if you want to go and try to get a secure credit card, because I just think your odds will be higher. Now, it's another credit card that I did not tell you guys about. Let me actually pull up that credit card now. So that one would be the Navy Fed. So let's see if this is going to pull them up. Loans, cards, credit cards. Okay, perfect. Yep, this is the Navy Fed. So I always tell you guys about the Navy Federal Credit Union. With this credit card, it's a secure credit card that you guys can apply for, but you can click right here where it says pre-qualify me, where they can pre-qualify you for that secure credit card. Now, this credit card, I like this credit card more than all of the other credit cards that I mentioned in terms of secure credit cards. Let me tell you why. I like this one because, if you put $200 down on this credit card, in 6 months, they're going to review your account, or after 6 payments, 6 statements, they're going to review your account and see if they can upgrade your account. And if they can upgrade your account, they're going to upgrade your account to a $2,000 credit card. Even though you only put $200 down, they're going to give you that money back, and then they're going to upgrade your account to a $2,000 credit card. So that's why I really like this secure credit card. So try to see if you can get the Navy Fed secure credit card. A lot of people say, I can't get into Navy Fed. And when I called Navy Fed to sign up, I was like, hey, my granddad was in the Navy. They never asked me for any documentation or anything. And a lot of people say that they never requested any documents from them. So just try to get an account with them, because you do have to become a member first. You have to have someone in our forces, military. So you guys definitely try to get an account with them if you can, but you have to have an account first. I just did I think I did a basic savings account at the time when I first signed up, and then I applied for my credit cards. So I suggest that you guys do the same thing. And if you guys have any questions about these credit cards or other credit cards, because there's other credit cards, secure credit cards, I can tell you guys about if you want to know about them. So if you can't get any of these credit cards, I know it's other credit cards you can apply for where they're not going to check your credit at all, because maybe your credit is just that bad that no one even wants to give you a secure credit card. That is possible, you guys. But if that's your problem, leave your question down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer it for you. Make sure you guys join my exclusive membership. It's only $1 for the first 7 days for the trial. And then while you guys are in the exclusive membership, I'm going to help you guys build up your credit so that you can get regular credit cards. And if you guys trying to get a house, a car, any of that, we can help you through that route too. But if you guys have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments. Make sure you guys thumb up this video and make sure you guys subscribe. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. A $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.